Hi there. Welcome back. And now we are going to, say the bridge of high waters. The third one, right? So climbing the bridge slowly. So here we are looking at Myra.io. Myra.io. So what is Myra.io? So this is kind of a PPT-like structured site. That means you can edit and create websites by just changing like kind of a slide note. That is what is Myra.io. So head over to Myra, myrah.io for AI-powered website creation and click on create a new site by registering there. Okay, so now you have to enter the name of your company, test 5. And upload your logo here. It's just 5 questions that it's going to ask, right? And it's going to create a website similar to what you like or what you desire in less than 60 seconds. Now, Ida was 30, this is 60. So go on to the next question. Pretty cool. Now here, the difference between IDA, GetWebs, and Myra is, in Myra you can even create a listing site of your products and services, and also you'll be able to easily edit content, and Myra can produce a lot of designs. Suppose you're doing, say, a website for a client, right? So imagine if you can have 100 designs for your client in less than, say, 2 hours. Now this is the future, and the future is now. Go to the next question here. After you click on business site, go to the next question. So you're going to do a small business site using Myra.io. So I am looking at, what should I select? You name it, services, okay. I selected services from the list, and I go to next question. Cool. And which represents my business. Now I can give education and coaching services or digital marketing. Anything is fine for me. And then once I do that, contact email can be anything that xyz@gmail.com. Contact phone number, or you don't need to write that, I guess. If it asks, then you have to write. Let's see. It is asking this, right? So xyz@gmail.com, and the phone number can be 0006. And go to the next question. I think I got the numbers right. So type and paste. Okay, fine. Let me give one of the websites so that it takes some, kind of an idea of what the site will look like, right? And then I choose this. This looks so cool. And I click on create my website. It's going to take ideas from my existing site, and it's not going to take content, mind you, but it's going to take ideas from my existing site, and it's going to make it really look good with AI technology and rebuild it. That is what is Myra.io. So it's amazing that you're seeing this. I hope you're enjoying this AI powered digital marketing course, which is a game changer in this world of learning. Let's see, Myra is taking some time to create the website, right? Cool. It is. Yes, my goodness gracious me. You know how many options are there to create the site? There is this much of options that Myra will be able to do it. My goodness. And it's going to give amazing previews of what you're looking at. My god, what kind of a site creation platform is this? Is amazing. Now you can just click on edit. You can create more sites also. Suppose you can change your company name and email and phone number here. So you can also edit content items. So you have to click on edit content items, and then you will be able to go into individual pages over here. Yes. So in order to edit the content items, you'll have to go back to edit page, and then click on edit text, images, and videos. Okay. And then once you do that, you can edit whatever you want. So XYZ Training Institute provides whatever you want. Put the images here and change whatever you want over here. So you can change the buttons, you'll be able to change the subline text and all this stuff, and then click on recreate sites. And once you do that, it's going to create so many options that you can't even imagine, and it's going to create amazing options. So you can choose the option that you want to click on save. Suppose I like that option, you click on save by looking at that option, and then when it's saved, you can then connect it to a domain. So you'll have to click on edit it now. Once again, you'll have to click on edit text, images, and videos, and then edit the kind of pages that you want. So you can edit the pages. I'm in the services page, I can edit this. Create learning solutions, I'll make it. So I can edit that, right? Once you do that, you'll have to click on the save now button, so it won't be set otherwise. And then you can head over back to edit. Okay, back to saved sites, And now whatever I did must be showing in this preview. Let's go to preview. Okay, it should be showing. I did it in the services page, in the missions page, so it's pretty good, right? So that means you can create sites at the speed of light, and you'll be able to create amazing sites at incredible speeds by just changing the content that you can in that content items panel. That's how you edit slide notes, right? It's the same way, and then you'll be getting different designs that you can, and that is the best of Myra. So I hope you enjoyed this amazing class, and so you're going into the grid now. So the entrance door opens, the portal opens. Thank you so much, guys. This is Srinidhi Ranganathan once again signing off. See you in the next lecture. I hope this is getting interesting and interesting and interesting.